Welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today in this video we are going to be working on the blue 77. As you guys can see in the last videos, we didn't get to finish the interior or the stereo, but today we're going to be finishing that up, and we are going to be installing some mirrors, the ones that go on the side of the truck, because last time we were trying to finish it up, Oscar came and interrupted me saying he found a good offer on some wheels. So we might even install those wheels on the Jimmy today, who knows, it depends on how much time we have left. So make sure to stay tuned. All right guys, we just got here with the truck right here, as you guys can see, and the first thing we're gonna do today is we're going to be installing this mirror right here. We're gonna be replacing it because it's got a crack right here. As you guys can see, it's got a big old crack. So first thing you got to do is you got to take out this bolt that's under here right here, and we're gonna be taking that off. And then it's got 3 other screws that go one right here, one right here, and then one down here. So we're gonna be taking that off right now. All right guys, we just got done taking out the mirror right now. As you guys can see, it's all clean. There's a little bit of stain here, but we are gonna clean that up right now. And make sure to not lose your screws, because those will come in handy right now. As you guys can see, we got the old mirror right there. It had a broken right there and everything. So right now what we are going to do, we're gonna go get the new mirror and we're gonna be installing it. But first of all, before we do none of that, we're gonna be cleaning this up because it's pretty bad. All right guys, we just got done cleaning where the old mirror was at and took that stain out. And right now we have the new mirror right here in the trunk. Not in the trunk, in the bed I mean. So we're gonna be installing that. Alright guys, we just got done installing the new mirror. As you guys can see right here, there is no cracks or anything. So really the only thing you need to install this mirror is this right here, and it is a 3/8 and a Phillips. Because the Phillips, you'll only use it to take out this bottom screw. That is it. And once you take out that bottom screw, you'll be able to take this cap off right here. Now that the mirror is done guys, we are going to be working on the interior. We're gonna finish it up. As you guys can see, it's not really a mess because we sort of cleaned it last time, but we still gotta hook up all the wires for the stereo and everything. As you guys can see, there's a big mess. The speaker, put the cover on it, and then right now we're really only missing the door panels on this, so we could have it up for sale. So if you're interested, make sure to hit us up on that Instagram page that I'm gonna leave right here. All right guys, we just got done installing the stereo right here. As you guys can see, it's all done and everything. The next step to this is hiding all the cables, because all these cables look bad down here. They're all loose and all. So we're gonna be hiding these cables, and we are going to be installing the cover on the passenger side speaker. As you guys can see, it doesn't have a cover, but the cover is right here. And after that, hopefully we have time to install the door seals. We got them right here. As you guys can see, we bought them and everything, but we haven't had time to install them. But make sure guys, if you guys haven't watched our Instagram page, make sure to follow us right there. And right now we have these for sale guys. It's a lanyard that says Alamia Rides, as you guys can see, and these we're selling them for $10. So make sure to hit us up on the Instagram page, and I think there's only like 5 left on there. Alright guys, we just got done hiding all the cables. As you guys can see, you guys can't see no cables anymore. And we put the speaker cover on. So the speaker cover is on also. Next step is to put these door seals right here. And that's what we're gonna do. And once we're finished with that, we might give it a good washing through the inside. As you guys can see, it's pretty dirty, dusty. So we're gonna give it a wash through the inside. And if we have time, we might pull up the orange 77 and jump start this truck so you guys could hear it run. All right guys, so we couldn't install the door seals because I'm waiting on Oscar to get here so we can do it together. As you guys can see, the door seals are still here and everything. So we're waiting on Oscar to get here. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're going to turn on the truck right here. We got the Nissan right there, and we're gonna jump start it with these cables right here. So this truck's about to be turned on right now. Alright guys, so we're in here in the Blue 77 and we're about to see if the stereo works. That's the first thing. Alright, so you guys have it. The stereo is working. I think the fans are on also right now. Let's check this out. So the fans are on and everything. Right now what we're gonna try to do is start it up. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we got this truck up and running. We started it up and everything and it gave us no issues, but right now we took the jumper cables off. We're gonna see if it starts like this. Alright, let's find out. So you guys have it, it starts up just like that. And this truck is gonna be for sale, guys. Alright guys, so we're on the 77, the one we were working on the whole day today. As you guys can see, we replaced that mirror right there. And unfortunately, Oscar couldn't make it. He had some business to do, so we couldn't install those wheels on the Jimmy, and we couldn't install the door seals on this Blue 77. We're gonna save that for another video, so make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.